ni asrɛ sɛ ɔno onyankrompo twedi ampɔn onsane ne ma yeyiem na ɔmagye aseda na ɔmagye ayeye na deɛ kyɛne sɛ ɛnura uram ɛwɔ adakogya akyea sɛdeɛ na yɛka sɛ ebia na nipa bi akɔyɛ yɛkyerɛ no panyin you have to praise the diplomacy and the diplomatic skills of the IMC chairman.
Wow.
Yeah, ɛnura no sɛ ɔengage akyitafo no yie paa ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛtie ɔma no asɛm tiwoye na sɛ panyin no tie wawia sɛ you can't demonstrate further because the opposite oye piano wetie na enra ebuzapanyi de kyene sɛ training no ɛkɔ so enra unim sɛ minya course anadwene nyina nti na no pay me betra se na sɛ me bɔ modena me yi exclusives bi ɛde eguo enra ebra me ba ebewuram na ensɛm a ebuzapanyi ɛba ya enkofo busa no sɛ enra there were about 5 players that were absent from training pepe ɛyɛ de adeɛ nti ɛma na ɛsɛ mi wuram anadwo no ɛbɛsi ɛna nɔpɛ yi na megye nkyerɛmu ɛde ɛfiri hɔ deɛ nti a ɛnora some of the players ɛntumi ɛnwuram amɛyɛ training ni bi yes ɛnora wuram wɔ asante korokwa dakogya training grounds a captain of the team aberanteɛ de din ɛde Frederick Asare was absent from training. Dawood Asaka was absent from training. Abrante Edi Emmanuel Enchi was absent from training. Albert Amoa absent from training. Na obianim say Albert Amoa de opra ebra kotoko ene kwando out of Lions ebo wo Boasel Enclave Sports Stadium. Abrante ni plan of Japan enra mete ho kire wo say enye good news. We kotoko supporter na o bompaye e de ama Albert Amoa because Prano Prabs Apani Hardwene. The next 3 to 4 games, Albert Amoa cannot play for Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
As at and when you pay my checks, now boy complaining of excruciating pain. I would put to Jenimu excruciating. Yawa yauni or yauna yawa yapano. Yabu excruciating. Yapa. I didn't yaw but yapa. Inti for Albert Amoa Agogo. Almost 1 month he'll be out. Kotoko scored.
Wow.
I've told you the impact. He has scored 62.5% of Kotoko's goals. When you lose that player for a considerably long period of time, especially when you back up our substitution. Dientia and Frederick Asare. I'm training is a Fred Asare no. Asante Kotoko a ball. Lions game New Year no. Na say okopiem or pram because of black galadis. And he was there. It was a training a training Tuesday and then ball friendly game enra ebra Black Galaxies share Ho United by 3-0 no na Brantford din at the Frederick sorry at the post no Japan Emmanuel Entry so the same thing Emmanuel Entry Dientia enra Emmanuel Entry anya training with Asante Kotoko and say enra na Emmanuel Entry wano enso akwa piem ewo Black Galaxies campa okoye training and a ball match
okay
Dauda Saka enso Black Galaxies squad no can so Kotoko had invitation for 4 players.
Yes.
The captain, the deputy captain, Justice Blay, main captain, Asari, Emmanuel Entry, and Abrante the Saka. Nemum, Justice Blay, young fan to just say, 10 invitation down. Justice Blay 10 the invitation to play for the Black Galaxies. He turned it down. I'm yet to get reasons why he did that, but from my checks, and Justice Nakase on Pesobeko. So he decided not to go, and he informed Black Galaxies and Penny for now. So for the Martin said, for now, temporarily, he's been excluded from the squad or no on squad or more preparation. Ghana ever ball Nigeria December. Black Galaxies and ever ball Nigeria in December. It is our preparations, you know. And omo eguswa it was a penny omo air. Okay. Unim said nano. Branted did the Lord Amwa and so a picky injury. To be a commentary biana a brana game na air cousin a car few minutes and or picky injury no na kotoko eyes to the substitutions and he kept playing through pain.
Wow.
Or boka crano at that form near Bashano no boka crano at that form and later kept saying say a branch and elbow through pain. One good news let's say enra players are turning up at the Kodachi a full training no a branch at the thing at the Lord Amwa no can be. So once Albert Amwa is injured for a considerably long period, a branch that did the Lord Amwa they was shaky the injury scare nearby.
Okay.
Ama enra or ye full training. Yes, be or ye separate training or ye full training enra ewo adakujachi. Ebuzapani.
Yes sir.
Enra o frere wakura bright. Sorry, Emma Nema.
Yeah, ewo adakujachi.
Emma ne kache say Bass ni see the second player we see from na Kwame Poku bayi.
Yeah.
Asante Kotoko for epese Kwame Poku no omo observe no at least for between 2 and 3 weeks the omo the observation no.
Wow.
Na enna Kwame Poku so a kire mpanyifo say onye injured. On say the concern the thinking the mpanyifo person be rush sadia we nyina say player no 4 years ago no ball koto and wako bobon ball na waba. So number 1 you person test ball na nkasa da so ho.
Yes.
Number 2 oni injury bia
fitness
ne match fitness at saying etiano no Kwame Poku no supposed to prove to prosper say I am fit as fiddle.
Wow.
Na last season ana kotoko eko former player Abdul Fattah Safiu. Safiu e buy no be 15 minutes be or run e no transform no say ni kotoje opra sadia we be ya dia Japan IMC no e ha mo pa because na e ya bedane legal tax boy ne say oje sika eso onya based on contract or sign here empanyfo say a mo bo man o se me be pra wo training eni ade kofa nchi no ahye obebiri e buy IMC the person mo avoid this controversy enti unim say Isaac Minta ye training dada. Minta is already training with the club.
Okay.
And Minta I training 2 weeks ni. Kwame Poku baye and no Japan obo 2 goals we training ho. And my supporters na no more kakran ball mun sem de ba.
Wow.
Kwame Poku
baye.
Ebezu approve. Now him say if Kotoko can register a striker with a special dispensation say because player be a free abonte bano a free agent near close to transfer window now still to be registered. Kotoko may want to do that and Kwame Poku may want Kotoko to register him in the absence of Albert Amwa nankwa slot in.
Wow.
Na bi ono so bogos no e make a claim for a starting 11 in a Kotoko team.
Wow.
Enti Kotoko ebe sha branch no but enra or full training with the team, full training with the squad. Be anche se bia injury bi e hye no de oye enra ne de but enya one na mpanyifo de hwe no on be hwe no on se Kotoko be training ne kwem so mo ye mienu nyame adom a e kire on be training on be kwakobo away game no to bechem omo free bechem omo samba omo training eti all the training sessions ene sade nyina no ebe koso na omo ayo omo bibia wie ade no ebetimi akoso ti no so far there abuzapanyi urama sa ena etie ewa asante kotoko ena adakoja chi training feles epie ho no ena yayi kakra ede ama ete form tie live ewo 87.9
Richardo Pepe Suarez yenyam ma ho we ye twam ye kwamane ne na ye famane ne ba asante kotoko nsem blasters ahye nsempi ewo ho ni nyina ye de beba Otuado the squad number Pepe a lot to say about it. Name of this Akoma no. Aba nemo mane show yi nyina ma men dedicate emfa ema miangasa menua pa one mother one father what need dimachi says Candy the only say or radio so no November we a month at the ma you family na pa 2 days ago fit na a champion boga 1 junior na birthday ene says Candy of Otek 102.9 FM enti ya dedicate show ni nyina e de aman mbenya Candy picture no ama me Pepe ene wuni apanyini mi wo yemi aketwa says Candy
to set ofori a champion says Candy nyamishan na onya ne kese na na e woni nim ni nyina no enye edew nko a na obeti we efi ne yire ene ni two beautiful kids no and almost yem for happy birthday so ma Mr. Set Kofi Ofori a champo says Candy.
Yes, Candy, happy birthday. Be said ba ni abewo so but for now dear Richardo Pepe Suarez Ediem ewo amanane but once again adum ventures Reverend Mono Manfosi workers ni nyina Franca Irene ene mo maka nyami samu sa presentation moye ede ama Akoma FM say yem fanko Kumasi prisons no Eradi samu no onse monamu ye kwa amanane
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Akoma 87.9 FM be piano ya kwamana ne Pepe Suarez ni Facebook page na so throw din be bia wo che free live Akoma 87.9 FM. I will acknowledge you on the show. Throw din be bia wo che free Idli says ya uremu ma wo setari jimo ahweye ze dogbe wono awo Napoli wo mo ahwe dwumade ne bi UK crowd ya ko crowd ya nya sam keto akra ya mo UK bebrebe wo mo nyina gira so ahweye so ana urem awo United States of America so mo share tentente mo nyina ne mo akwaba ya throw din na akaleju emra so no so kumi anso I was Spain Barcelona krono mo ohwe phone is a na dial star 439 hash star 439 hash star 439 hash you su MTN so you su Telecel MTN Telecel you su MTN and also you su Telecel star 439 hash Akoma 87.9 FM. Sound Akoma 87.9 FM. Phone is a CA. Star 439 hash on MTN on Telecel. Star 439 hash on MTN on Telecel. Star 439 hash on MTN on Telecel. Once over Tom says CA no disika. Two person disika was show no so says CA Abusia Penny na disika now. Obo star 439 hash on MTN. Star 439 hash on Telecel. Connect step and no obebusa say o select station by no one select Akoma FM. Akoma FM ay number 6 o select Akoma FM here no one select connect stage next stage no ay number of tickets are auto the bakubia ay 5 Ghana cities me pacho tonododo woto enum ensia edu obedi sikade say live our Akoma 87.9 FM. Rimpa Royal Enterprise akofa AFR Roll and the Bejaso AFR Roll no ewo Joshua Rimpa Royal Enterprise and the bar or active blue or pink passion and elegant light fragrance and afi or gold smart or nina no eye roll on we use masa one kasa confidence adi ko diploma e bosoro e bi ato cosmetics bia no kwa obenya AFR Roll on ato okwa wo su pe AFR jeno enne papa Visual would to quite Akopiem Awamane and to be a person Kobiano, a Jovi travel for jobs and estate agency, Kumasia, or Tonsu Monaco, opposite old MTN office. No, what do I need him our talk radia? Babia, secondary truck Trojana, our market circle, Ubeneo, Accra, at the back of Medina main station, adjacent Old Malcolm, and after Oko, Ekopiemo, our Techima, and also our central market garment line, Ubenya Jovi, travel for jobs and estate agency. Tia back controls said Jovi travel for jobs and estate agency home sweet cereal legumes. They don't want to follow Tom Brown. Me patcho home sweet cereal legumes. Papa wheat womb, moon womb, soya beans womb, unya bia a bois, and manuma equyepa, and so at the mama menkayo. So home sweet cereal legumes no, and no an papa, and Tiaba, say bia ebusia, munina masia, and quadratim penny and motor from 6 months and above. Woman activity home sweet cereal legumes and no air papa. So garlic bitters I just so me pacho when ya amuzo garlic bitters no na no be able bobia we or pomoje eba be sisi so mojan ebe defo sani ye amuzo garlic bitters and I make come for adamao wo biankasa ya umoja entimi enia fu sani ye no wa draw enie wo dem say draw we unum bia e bia veins no mo ama mojan entimi pompi after a reduce high blood pressure and minimize sugar level a boy improve vision now support to pancreas no amuzo garlic bitters and no ana papa. You could be the luckiest. You could be the luckiest. Now we are doing happy life. November 30th, another grand draw. Bosso. Before the grand draw, you go so Chad Yadabia. We need motorbikes. We need TV sets. We need chest freezers every day. Phone our dial star 712 hash star 712 hash star 712 hash on our networks. Follow the voice prompt and no nafe wadisika ewo jumadi so. You could be the luckiest. Kuma Prisons Achadia promotion 87.9. Kuma Prisons Achadia promo. Sremunyami aduma bronya we yane prisoners and inmates of Kumasi Central Prison and Ekwakodie 10th of December and no and Reverend Adum Ventures wamo aduamunioma aba Dalmasia near say one so would say be out there mobile money na pass the bar 0530 507849 0530 507839 Sandi momo dina beba no Akoma FM. Afe wo nyoma won so pass all the brain no. O frɛ babaje the same number 0530 507849. Me pacho say bia wo soft drinks, wo nsuo, wo gari, wo beans, wo oil, wo washing powder, wo bathing soap, wo washing soap, eba sponge, eba clothes, eba sanitary pads, medicine, toilet roll, any tomatoes, any nyoma bia wo bia. O pass all the bona. Me pacho frɛ 0530507849. O the buy beji adwase. O frɛ sia meji beba ababaji. Pomodembra bawa kwa mnyamia aduma fiada any fiada bia. Fiada we any fiada bia nyamia aduma china apomodembra boss ye.
Akoma FM
7 and 9 p.m. on Akoma 87.9 FM every Friday. Therefore abina adepa wono enso abetrasi no atonsa e dia frɛ wono ma omonim die e wa pomodensemo no mo education e dia brɛ ya enya asem ketwa. Say this on every Friday and as I try you know e pass wo our Akoma 87.9 FM. Pure mora jama papa na unim say every djuma kwa omudi ade the general mora my dog and the boys no one and the way e buy me call Facebook page no so o message aba me yan wa djuma ade am sisi e come and see this is Akoma 87.0 FM. Also see do come and come and see. On Facebook you will see. Oko radio no 87.9 on your dialer you will hear. Suarez in here. Oma kuma ose. Show your power. 87.9. Supanahene Junior Bombay Abdulatif Linika Sanso and Supanahene Adamase Fiajma Black Man which na show no so ya which be from Accra pick from now say Dicken Torrenson also Osha Command Sports with the ja and the Diabre or say Kwame Jache me kwako piemu ewo elubo half a sim board and so our western region and say Kwame Jache or immigration service and our juma one officers nina ya chiamo pa Rude boy ejaswa onhwe ebie enya subketo kwa rude boy ojaswa buakwa gogo ene wo sansura branch the day and the Arthur Bright also wo Jama Pension Senior High Technical School and wa buaso wano so ehwuma de ne bi St. John Wubutu Sweden and onhwe Andrews Danso won so ohwe dwuma de ne bi ewo kunsu ya anya subketo mamenka so Terry G wano ewo Italy oresho ne bi a branch the Vincent Apia what do I need chemo Boga Forestry Commission Officer Vincent Apia oh China no kwame dodona enso afra Wonder Boy oh Paris our France yeah oh show ne bie a branch the Sadiq won so so oh for hit ne kwaku abak or say Barcelona is like the Equatorial Guinea man Ngonga or for Mate Kwaku back. Yes, Mark Tonto Champo. Also share live. Every Denver, Colorado, United States of America. Mame Mfumani Encheme. Yes. Hey, my boy, Brighto. Yebedin Frames Antonio. Which so Anloga Junction. Total filling station. One also Ejna so Anya some Ketom LB. Me Pachoya manager Ima Foma pa. And the guys Namuya Juma. Ewa Anloga Junction. Total filling station. Me Kwa Germany. And a Stephen Entry. And so free Alaji Jordan Banda wo Amsterdam Holland Netherlands memo ya chao Padmon GH one also or say greetings to Mr. Oferi Ata ewa Tonsu S line afe Akwasi Adu say was say Pepe I am called Akwasi Ramos from Kubase. Okay, Kubase nas Nobom Kubase. Yes mate yada siana ni kuzu kojo krom Eugene Sakode ujra show so ya uhwe bie efi Sweden onso ohwe dendenten also cha number 4 one ewa Ashtown obi bafigu wo ye Uber driver obi bafigu ewo kete de diako yanchawe afe bela samuda onso ohwe dwade ni be live ya anya sabketwa ewo anloga mame ancha Rudas Ibaka ujra show so Nana Kwame ose we taxi driver watching live or a bus terminal Asafu Labor runabout. Or greetings to our station master Tibamincha station master and the taxi drivers are more or a bus stop polina master Boaje and drivers in Masaraba Chamo Abdullah Hassan NZ5 opposite Mensha Government Hospital our Sabuzongu which are so Oshaye Padmon GH Medodiana Abadada Afe Abrante the Eddie Junior Bombay Man United will beat Power today. I am Minta from Maxima Tech Maxima Afe Julius Teria Dipay Ujnaso Abrante the Tay Ede Arimiao Shaibu Ose Tournament Pes the best club one also Ejasua Otrebie Mame Ancha Oriani Tay Ede Saluk Inan Sanso and a Salif Larry Adam Woshe Junior Bombay Pfizer Digia DH Afe Abrante the Day Star Boy Avumem Airport Jeffrey Blessings Ujnasho so Ewa Tech Junction wa also Utrabie Munina no Yacham Mwakwaba yes Brobe Edward and Afe Jeffrey Blessings Munina no Yadiamase Yacham Yamase Mwakwaba pa Edba Jumadi so ya Enyasum Kitwa ya kwamana ni aba
Akoma FM 87.9.
Chomo mu just wa share e dia mame o dia share sesie cha no obi nso enhwe bi share mame sesie boni bia ye fa che ye wati Suarez, a lion in here. This is Pepe Suarez, the lion. When I roar. Do me just say a brasso ya kwamana in terms of Kabiru. Mami games a course anra uramo our the UEFA Champions League matches a course anra na enya sabketwa scoreline hodwa ebetodwa na nohye. Yes, FC Barcelona still one our form year pa meba na ma bossa enwo adwuma e de ma bra Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM wafa phone no a star 439 hash star 439 hash on MTN on Telecel select option 6 uya number of tickets are out ba ko bia 5 Ghana cedis wo ba be disika enra Club Brugge wa mo sheba ko Aston Villa entumianti enti Aston Villa wa mo beaten run our UEFA Champions League no abawie ye enra onim se Shakhtar Donetsk ko mo she 2 Emma Young Boys wanam atimu ba ko final etrafie Emma RB Salzburg ebe show me come yesa wanam atimu ba ko pe FK Zrevena Zrazda FK Zrevena Zrazda ubetma from Resta Belgrade enra wamo eshe 2 club and did FC Barcelona wanam eshe 5 Inigo Martinez o she go Robert Lewandowski epomino Rafinha she go and a Femi Lopez adaba ko kan ho a ye wie game no na Barca e win by 5 goals to 2 a eton 7 ade etudwa enra Inter Milan wamo e win game no over Arsenal by a goal to 0 Hakan Şanoglu 45 plus 2 and a penalty by and Hakan Şanoglu e ko gina kire panyan no the ball atwatem Arsenal antumi ante yemfa ntudwa se Paris Saint-Germain and no mutrafie e ma club and dey Atletico Madrid ebe so me come you know one atemu pako Warren Zare Emery one as first goal Abrante de day anso Ade Molina Obateka na fe Angel Korea abo win no ade ama Atletico Madrid we e de free upper enra club and the other Potter Pra e dia start break atomo e ko so me come you know one atemu pako club and the VfB Stuttgart enra Stuttgart for trafie Atlanta Bergamo SA2 VfB Stuttgart one antumi Antibi Ademola Lukman Esego Sanso and a branch de Zaniolo one also a poco wa ton 7 ade atudwa Bayern Munich SE1 Emma Benfica one antumianti Bayern Munich omsebako Benfica antumianti in general a branch here ne den so ade Jama Musiala and the ball the only goal and ma Bayern Munich won poboko ya ye ton 7 no ade atudwa ade ametefo mutie Akoma 87.9 FM now mami UEFA Champions League table no niamo boso emfama na chefo de tianie wode wani achem awo Liverpool wa match de kan wa mabo 4 games or more 12 points Liverpool and drop a point bia de otosumi no Ruben Amorim's club and day at Sporting CP Ruben Amorim ne Sporting CP no one atosumi no wa answer our 10 points afa AS Monaco our 10 points otosumi esa start bre otoso 9 or 10 points Inter Milan tosunum our 10 points afa Barcelona otoso nsia or 9 points Borussia Dortmund atoso and so our 9 points Aston Villa toso nwotwe our 9 points top 8 I don't know Yankwe 9th position Atlanta Bergamo 8 points after Manchester City Wamotoso 10th almost 7 points Juventus the old ladies of Serie A Wamotoso 11th almost 7 points after Arsenal Toso 12 one hour 7 points Club and the other Bayer Leverkusen Otoso 13th or 7 points Lille Metropole Otoso 14th or 7 points Celtic Toso 15th or 7 points Dinamo Zagreb Otoso 16th or 7 points Bayern Munich Otoso 17th or 6 points Real Madrid Toso 18th or 6 points Yakase Benfica Toso 19th 1 hour 6 points AC Milan Otoso 20th with 6 points after Feyenoord 21st with 6 points another Club Brugge 1 Otoso 22nd with 6 points and after Atletico Madrid Otoso 23rd with 6 points 24th position PSV Eindhoven 1 and so I was 6 points Otoso Amako on 5 points Otoso 24th Mame Enfantujwa so mo mi bobo dia chewe de se boss see wie ne ebo playoffs no mo qualify de tenye Paris Saint-Germain after so about 4 games our 4 points minus 2 Otoso 25th position Sparta Prague 26th position with 4 points VfB Stuttgart 27th position with 4 points after Shakhtar Donetsk one other 28th position with 4 points Girona 29th position with 3 points. RB Salzburg or 30th position with 3 points. After Bologna 31st position or 1 point. One more bomb did one point back. It's Leipzig Sport Club and did Storm Grass. Young boys. Zrevena Zrazda and Slovan Bratislava. One more any point back. Say and a UEFA Champions League. I want some at here, but I want some to be at the Emma Yami Atuma and Europa League games. Ababaso, Sanso and Nea. I dear father, sir, the Conference League games at Bosso, Europa League. Club and the day at the Bodo Glimmet. One more answer at Karabakh FK. What do I need a Chema and Tram Frankfurt? I'm on Boslavia Pra, Avbok, one more SC Bra and Ebo FCSB, one more Ebo FC Midland, Galatasaray Port Colombo, one more Toria Mopes and a Bebo, Mamin Fantuja Ludogros Rasgras, one more Ebo Athletic Club de Bilbao, Ni OJC Needs, one more FC 20 Ebo Olympiacos, one more Bo Rangers, Union St. Galossi, one more answer Ebo AS Roma, Ajax Amsterdam, one more Maccabi Tel Aviv and Ebo AZ Akoma, Ebo Fenerbahce, Dynamo Kiev, one more Ferencvaros Ebo Afetia Geofium, one more Lyon, Lazio Ebo FC Porto, Manchester United, Omni Paok and Ebo, Nafe RFS, one more answer Ebo Anderlecht, Yamfantos of Victoria Pleasant, one more Real Sociedad Ebo Europa League games, Menokasa Uremo, our Conference League. Club and the thing, and so at Vikingo, Wamashiminu, Ama Burak, Banja Luka, Wama NTB, a Conference League game, CS Petro Club, Wama Ebo Rapid Vienne, Gent, Omabo Omonio Nicosia, Afe Club and did it HJK Helsinki, Wamabo Olympia Libana, Sanso and Liga Warsaw, Wamani Dynamo Minsk Ebabo, Mamin Fantuja, Sepafos FC, Wamabo FC Astana, Shamrock Rovers, Omani TNS Ebabo, na TSC Bakatopoli, Omani Lugano Abo, Apo Nicosia, Ebabo Fiorentina, Chelsea, Omani FC Noah, and Ebabo Minimse Noah, Oya Pomadaka, Ebia Pomadaka, Zoto Yeno Team. And your friends are here. I am Chelsea. I'm on FC Noah and Ebo Jagodin. I'm on Ebo Club first Paradnikos. FC Copenhagen. I'm on Istanbul but I say Ebo Heart of Midlothian. Ebo Heidehem. Naklaba. Nede Ede Jagodina. I'm on Anso Ebo Klaba. Nede Ede Modi. Afe Lam. And St. Gallen. I'm on Ebo Lask. Ebo Saka Brook. And na Real Betis Ebo MK Selig na Victoria de Gomeres wamo ene Klaba eno so eti ade Mlada enso abawei ayaka kre free obanana Syria game bako ekosu komu wamo ento eko away no makokobo Genoa eno so game abekoso ewo Italian Syria ena meto sabre kakra ene match efo a mutie Akoma 87 point na famami Ademola Lukman na memfantutwa 7th season akwadana ne din ade Ademola Lukman no wo involved in 13 goals in 13 games. Aquadano about 13 games. Born involved in 13 goals. Enya subketra where eka kre free oba enna Pau Kubasi wokoko player after the game. And ye busa Hans Flick and Hans Flick say Pau Kubasi no obehia 10 stitches. As ya pimpom akuma kudu entiampa enna Aquadano wamo ema 10 stitches to his face. And son Aquadano bebia etoya. Eton some ade atuja me kwa piemo ewo Mikel Arteta na ma yadwuma Mikel Arteta enye ose abrante de didi Mikel Merino sene bono e penalty dia ene Arsenal so enya penalty ewo game num but also no onyintom sa dia referee ekwaje se penalty no na e penalty ose if that's a penalty then the one on Mikel where Ian Soma punches him in the head had to also be a penalty 100%. These are the margins in a game and it is difficult to accept already day and so Adi Mikel Arteta si anfa tuja se bono mo bo enra omoni Inter bono mo lusu ye no nyame aduna Sunday omokobo the same thing Adi tia Chelsea ombetwa Chelsea also somebody the same thing weekend Adi tia Chelsea o GDS Arsenal ebedin kunim awasa game no mo we eka kre free oba me don some adi atutwa mame abrante de Jules Kunde na me fondu asa enra Jules Kunde oye hat-trick of assist enra oye assist makoma yesa na abrante de Jules Kunde ena ni coach Hans Flick esi yam fondu say Jules Kunde oye brutal or say Jules Kunde oye excellent player Jules Kunde oye player ba kwa obetwa di ho danse sa Branton ay extremely good na yam fondu say Jules Kunde after sending coach na emport abaso ye and na Jules Kunde say physically or the best moment I want to carry him if it's on a juice kundi or free so bono after pan and the physical condition at the best. Also I'm very happy with Hans Flick. Now Hans Flick a top coach where I can free oba me coach us ya show Mama Bernard Badiashil na me for tuja and now me catch us the Chelsea in pay for as a Bernard Badiashil one ton on your player or your for sale akoda say yam fan tuja so no Bernard Badiashil or you extremely happy with Chelsea or see Chelsea a big club no or GDA pa say Chelsea club na ono Bernard Badiashil obono a difficult so society name oyero ho now you're very best ubet no society et Bernard Badiashil and I can say yeah what champs no person successful and so our club and did Chelsea me ko piemo Ruud van Nistelrooy wakasa and dia for Lenny Yoro and was a big moment at the Lenny Yoro at the American team no a pass boy na fit nothing or team boss one Manchester United a team ebe training no na a big moment at the point no or say we are going to get him back partially over the coming weeks in Tombe kakra na for Lenny Yoro no wababe jam abebo Manchester United spending close to 65 million euros and wa kwadanity at the Lenny Yoro 18 years or 19 or both season our French le championnat no and omoko fa na ba ya wa mo se akwadan oba bojuma ya anya djuma ketwa ade amomo live on Akoma 87.9 FM amronsam and amade man of our phone no dial star 439 hash star 439 hash on MTN on Telecel star 439 hash me pacho aba Bamandia, Sabbath select option 6, and they are Akoma FM, or select 6 Akoma FM na. No selected number of tickets are auto, when you fagum enum and sia edu, when you fagumza, Ubedisika, I was shown so, young Kwayanim, na Femina Juma, Kakra, and Famacha for Jabrancha, Netain, Eddie Yan Pesek, one answer a player, Adama International Milan, na Yan Pesekano, me pacho diametie, and it's a point, Yakasa Sesi, a idea, and Penifua, 1 hour Inter Milan. Wama any edge point no into man contract extension offer. Yeah, just a branch no or be sign a contract extension. Now for the next 5 years. West Sinakai at the Ama Club at the International Milan. And me mouse exclusive picture away. Mami David Alaba or Latukumbu for David Alaba or Latukumbu at 2 page no swami. And so David Alaba the injury over 1 year and a branch at a prayer when your anterior crucial ligament injury. Wamu tritia na bibia sampa ho wamu ya na bibia ba ho na dia metie and so David Alaba Olatukumbu say there is a branch no ni progress na ekoye ni possible return say bia this season obetumi abobo no ya se ekoye papa last 2 months o say training say and ya obobo a na ni kotodwe no na ekatwe ho eno and a doctors no adeba here say kame say cartilage ade na fa ni gregre no ye wo kotodwe no no asane de no na awe entina makasa na ekakasa dompe a branch ya kase say ade empenfo aye no twuma ene makoye ade ma no DJ Disham ade atodwa mayam fantu as a branch de ten e killing in popular team France games a do mani mo mbabo wa won Israel and Illinois enya de a branch de killing in popular team obekobie and ye busa DJ Disham said and was say I had discussions with Kylian and made my decision. It is better this way. Mbappe wanted to come with us. It is not because of any other thing. One decided here say on far branch and ma where the free oba mama Leonardo Jardim na me for Georgia say Leonardo Jardim oba sign Ediama align as omo head coach align for one more for Leonardo Jardim no be adwuma Ediama until June 2025 and owura be adwuma Ediama yanko piem sesie e England essence England one squad na nya be todwa into goalkeepers a goalkeeper Dean Henderson after Jordan Pickford and Aaron Ramsdale 3 goalkeepers ya from Kaiser Thomas Tuchel ne Aaron and a beginning no after Trent Alexander-Arnold, Levi Crowell, Mark Guehi, a branch of the team, and Lewis Hall, Taylor Howard Bellis, a branch of Furniture, Ezri Konsa, Kyle Walker, and Afe Rico Lewis, way air defenders, midfielders, no, Jude William, Victor Bellingham, Phil Foden, Conor Gallagher, Angel Gomez, Morgan Gibbs White, Curtis Jones, Cole Palmer, Declan Rice, where I am midfielders from Woko attackers, coach na, the day answer at the Thomas Tuchel, war from Anthony Gordon, Jack Grealish, Harry Kane, Noni Madueke, Ole Watkins, Dominic Solanke, Bukayo Saka, where a player first squad ever, ya opinion thing, and so Thomas Tuchel, one friend ye, don't seven at Tuja, and I went a cheer for young Quayanim, not for Yanga crack and for free, Mammy opinion and thing, and David Moyes, yes, and David Moyes, and I can say, now David Moyes, see him found Tuja, so about Manchester United, David Moyes, or send the first transfer window, our Manchester United, none targets A2. No, I targeted 2 important players. And yes, one was a Francis Fabregas, and I feel already, and so at Gary Bale, or so no more targets. I don't know. Now Fabregas, I catch him so much. Season a shot here, no Francis Fabregas, one shot here, not to bench it, yeah. And your papa, I feel also rare. Your first Gary Bale, I'm a corner catch him so, oh, Sika Party, man, you mudi biaba, name him Nakoma no, Aqua di Real Madrid Chronomo. Or Quaco Madrid, no body of Real Madrid, one Pobocono, and to assist her, and a Cocosia, no, sit when you're back up for the 2. As I said, Manchester United, and I saw, I don't know, when you're back up, oh, young Quayanim, Mammy Hans Flick, Nafi, Hans Flick, the team, I mean, I was your penny of 16 games and Confortabono, one match of 55 goals, 16 games, one match of 55 goals, goals in there, Hans Flick, and in the Manchano, one of our form, Papa, Hans Flick, Tibno. And on a branch everybody says here our Facebook page no so and was Hans the free team no or more form at some minor or work to regini no as well 55 master akwanya izo wo bema mu me sure say 20 ane san yo mani nyinam za akwa no or wi bi okro no enti Barcelona form no ati sa ga man no ni suba ba ko pa na nya video no ye na nya ba nya sa de anka eno ano obo adwuma pa ye ko mami Julian opinion did Julian Lepetegi na me fan tu say nyame adom na William Lepetegi Everton shana opinion anja na oko William Lepetegi beko Neymar dos Santos Junior and no me catch say Neymar pra na ha dwene we pra 6 weeks or so go out eno na ahela for e fa dwene say e bia omo ahela wo mo anya wonom enso ebepam abrante de Neymar dos Santos Junior me pachotie Neymar pra no ane watena fie sia kwa fini ana no ato no baya just a game Neymar sabe for injury na no ana ahela for no epese e bia wo mo terminate the contract yes ahela for on be terminate contract na wo mo ebe ade no mutually o mo mpese bia on be na quite disrespectful o mo se Neymar enya play aketwa etinya dia wo mo ebe try say bia mo good animase eno and I do any chem our Brazil, Mami Santos, a brand name, our Santos on the Masa, Jayo, Aquani and Takeno, and 2 Ram our Santos, Santos Vania Pre, so more person name of Santos Junior, Esampa, no PM Abesaka de Momoa, and Company Baje, Name Pacho Santos for Enye, Al Hila, the biggest club, our Asia, Al Hila, Uram our Saudi Arabia, one more Saudi Pro League na, or more form Cap Bianco Fine Edge, me Pacho Al Hila for say. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro akwanese ko ahela ene wakobo anase enti say no wo mo apese Ronaldo wo mo adne po ebepiemo awo ahela wo mpo bokoro mo o mo so mo ko fa ne mabae se bianca Ronaldo din awo any influencer Cristiano no ade abra club ye friends anase wo mo na ye club kese kasa influencer bo mo ne ma na apreprasa won timi fa maye enti January wo mo hwa se zero Cristiano Ronaldo na dia we dia kabeshi anase for papa anase supporters kebe omo ya papa said o masia support Cristiano Ronaldo no enya gro zero ni asu okwa ni sika no obenya almost times 2 so Ronaldo ko ahila obenya times 2 of the sika way e ka free up me no sam no e de atudwa mame abranche anase branche we na me fa to Liverpool omo se hwe omo tetibi se Trent Alexander-Arnold Real Madrid for Epeno omo tetibi se Federico Chiesa AC Milan Epeno ana Wataro Endo so onya happy otete bench nemum and slot and Liverpool page for decide se abranche de ten anase branche bi ensen ba ko kura ni wa in January one be transfer am na free club no mo ya we e kakra eno so free oba and am tell somebody atudwa mame Victor Goykeres na me fan tudwa se Victor Goykeres no ya kasa se sie wodi wani HM ayadia abranche no Sporting wo mo striker no yes Manchester United Chelsea Manchester City wo mo nyina ni abre so mo nya abranche de Victor Goykeres wo bia be fa no ade akwada na ba ɔmra mɛyɛ adwuma na Victor Goikeres nyame adoma sama no mu wode 63 million pounds kɔ a wobɛnya no wonim sɛ ka ne buyout clause yɛ ɛyɛ 83 million pounds na mmom yɛse akwadaa no ne agent no ɛde clause bi ahyɛm sɛ ne release clause so ɔba afi asa ka ho a ɛso bɛte ɛde aba 63 million pounds a wei ɛkakra no so firi ɔba ɛna mete wo nsɛm no ɛde ɛto dwa ɛde ama atiefoɔ a mote Akoma 87 pɔrɛ ne fam akwadaa ne den ɛde Tarik ne Kwame Lante Ghana ne aberante no Brighton of Albion boy no ɔyɛ right back wonim sɛ Kwame Lante nyame yɛ adoma ne contract ɛba wieyɛ na Everton fo ani apere so ɔmɛfa boy on a free transfer na ɔmɛde naba amena ba bɛyɛ adwuma Virgil van Dijk ne contract ɛba wieyɛ June 2025 Liverpool for ɛhwɛ sɛ Virgil van Dijk ɔmɛma no contract extension offer ɛbɛkɔ ɛde ma branch de den ɛde Virgil van Dijk na saa contract extension offer no wɔn ɛde ma na owura no ɛnso in January ebia no wasan ɛde ama mo Graham Potter ɛne yɛhwɛ sɛ ebia na Graham Potter aba back to the Premier League ntimaka kyerɛ sɛ William Lopetegui so olusu versus Everton pam no yɛ pam na ɛyɛ likely sɛ West Ham for ɛbɛfa Graham Potter amena bɛ replace owura na wei ɛyɛ kakra free ɔba Manchester City ɛpɛ sɛ in January a wamo enya backup striker no waba be understudy Ellen Haaland because omo ye convinced say Ellen Haaland no akora no likely so obeko say Ellen Haaland beko a so omo nya backup player no waba ye adwuma ade mo fa phone sisi dial *439# *439# oh dial *439# on MTN *439# on Telecel MTN Telecel ni nyina the same short code *439# me pacho obo na umia so a no select option 6 no ɛyɛ Akoma FM unya select option 6 no ye na afe wawrem na wa select number of tickets apesa auto one ticket bia ɛyɛ 5 Ghana cedis ticket baako bia ɛyɛ 5 Ghana cedis abusua panyi sabi jump ɛbɛtrase na afe odisika no enso ɛde ama live ɛwɔ Akoma 87.9 FM yɛdemasi me jamu abusua panyi ɛtoa so ɛde ama Akoma 87.9 FM.
The luckiest star 712 luck is everywhere for everyone. Yeah.
Here's to the friends who dialed star 712# and found no regrets. To the investors who struck gold. To the health workers who diagnosed luck with precision. To the tough guy who couldn't hold back his tears. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hard-earned stitches into a bundle of happiness. And now, here's to you. Your next big win is right here.
Luck is everywhere for everyone.
Dial *712#. Now join in the luckiest winning celebration. Every 1st July 2024. Over dial *712#. Now I can to ticket through as a group, individual, and now even as a community. Now win is the card prizes are in the community draw or go for the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with *712#. Now join in the winning streak now.
The luckiest
Star 712#.
luck is everywhere for everyone. Yeah. The luckiest.
I'm saying that Ghana must not introduce free SHS on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician. Many mistakes have been made by countries in Africa already with free SHS.
They said it couldn't be done. They said it was a dream, but the NPP delivered free SHS. Over the last 7 years, over 5 million students have benefited from free education. The program has significantly increased enrollment and provided access to education for many who might not have had the opportunity.
Before, my family couldn't afford it. Now I'm learning a trade and achieve it, and I'm looking forward to a brighter future.
Free SHS gave me the chance to go to senior high school. I'm studying science and dreaming of becoming a doctor.
Free SHS, investing in Ghana's future, one student at a time. Let's protect the future of our young people by voting number 1 on December 7. Vote for Baumia. Vote number 1.
Yes, we are back. I am Akoma 87.9 FM. The Lion, Richardo, Pepe, Charest, and our tenant can't say Odi Rem and Semno, the Awaman and the baby Sebia, where ye at the P and Ra. games ahorow ba so and issues and be bia person what wa manane and a pepe dia ba nemum from phone no na dial star 439 hash star 439 hash na fi wo sa Akoma FM etoso 6 nti wo 6 no wa send it e be bisa wo se wo to sen ba ko bia 5 cities tododo and also what me anya chance say obewini enche but the first draw no ebe banchi for phone e bia wa wini bi dada koso na to obewini bia kan wo wini bi da e bia also first time ni bi kra or first time ni want to be da fa wo sembi also betimi wini ticket ba ko bia 5 cities dial star 439 hash star 439 hash na fi obo number 6 now send dia dodo a woto no na dia to so ba ko bia 5 Ghana. Akoma cash out is back enche me the first draw no ebeba yenwem efi sampi wo hodnemum enra games ba so no kakra na fi yemhwe enra Barcelona is a question ye bisa who will stop them. Barcelona who will stop them. Omo winning so omo winning big wine and a bit me and stop on many of the other games about so yen share man send me kakra bi and if I'm not dos nti yen che e wa man kakra bi na fi jam refi.
Well, before me here name my injury situation very worrying. So player club invested so hugely in you. Player nanka just say me what is wrong with Neymar and the injury situation and the club ne contemplate so mo be a mutual termination nanka omo no IND omo jumedie and I think that they are omo right so omo be demand because the player in all the times a Neymar stay fit very few and ubisa who say isn't worth it say club will be better when you say you make way a poster boy of a club ye man everything be a player in here nanka yes you leverage on player no ni fame ni bibia wa nanka yenya but oba you know you realize that onye value for money
so what should I know prepare
on said that but sir me sure say any business person be able to akofo bi na kankwa na obo e kankwa or buy then once again no asaba be pick injury so say name no ankasa no I was feeling for the club ma because e bia was sign a contract na year into ma on because for me enye it's enye sky o enia we be proud of that. Yes, I know fault today, but I think that on one possibility take a step back, no realize say what be a liability for the club.
So what do you expect him to do?
I expect say or be taking time off career.
He's been off for some time.
No,
a very long time.
Yeah, only
almost a year.
Yeah, the person say ma on koso nje club niska. On take time na on kosa na ho yare. Because so we name wage and I say ni sika oje. Mess on stay fit no because why be liability for the club and omon person mo be good and mass omon person be embarrassing by saying say yeah but clearly sporting reasons name my own to me meet sporting bia so be take it now they akoshe ho no was bia because for me it is so unfair on the club say omo be koswa invest hugely this sika bebre ya born ni weekly wage bill shower now you masho. But acquisition to me stay fit and board 1-2 matches. They be our mobile trophy na name Kutapoma no was celebrating with them. You know wabaye an albatross on the neck of the wabaye liability the amount
$150 million
just a year waste of resources, waste of money on adding anything to the sporting project of Ahila. I mean him wire omoko so entertaining but maybe I won't person be embarrassing. But I think somebody me a friend of football for football reasons and sporting reasons. Want to mean stay fit more ball. No. Until also the amount of time of konakosa and wire and yes we enjoy bill wage na ye tria unjustifiably. But that's just by the way. Endra PSG tena fi ema Atletico Madrid ko share omo na two clubs ni nyina e wo mo struggles me no ka say Atletico Madrid PSG that 25th e wo 36 league log no PSG that 25th e wo honum and Atletico Madrid that 23rd e wo log enti no Atletico ne that qualifying so dem kakra PSG asad na bad even though yemmo yes medical can say format ya yebo yemmo na sa clubs ni nyina push aba but the two clubs no struggle na everyone say Luis Enrique I may trust him so much and I felt so call PSG no start here adwuma wo hono unfortunately 4 matches in the Champions League awabo so far no 1 win 2 defeats 1 draw a very uncharacteristic of and we share the personal players who expected a lot from him say obe deliver more than what he's doing unfortunately for them Endra PSG Paredi Axel Wetzel Molina boy Lenglet boy Endra omo ohe PSG Endra omo Donnarumma ejina mu Bakola ejina mu Asensio ejina mu Dembele ejina mu Zaire ejina mu Vitinha ejina mu Neves ejina mu players aye boy enye small names so but as a team omo failing to glitter in the Champions League and one say PSG is a club omo very patient pa because say your ball not 25th na PSG da asad now yeah kasa clubs at that PSG anim ubenya spot clubs at that ubenya club route at the PSG anim ubenya Dynamo Zagreb da PSG anim Celtic Lille Bayer Leverkusen munyina da PSG anim Aston Villa Atalanta munyina da PSG ubisa ho say Luis Enrique can he deliver that thing na PSG for Abra looking for that holy grail pesa trophy no Oma try different coaches investment in player beyond what my PSG in Kofe be my they've tried every single player be or available be but unfortunately say a day whether it is the structure of PSG what I say a setup of PSG what I say they are not getting recruitment right and as a coaching appointment then be sounds why is PSG not delivering because
what do you expect them to do?
I don't know me Ubisamia because PSG your both players player ba for PSG
say French league is o maja fa
no friendly league there say domestic there no yeah can PSG a me for bibia it is a trophy how a PSG bet me a movie from being just a finalist a trophy ni bi no and they've tried different formula ni nyina emfa
in the days of Neymar
yes
Messi Mbappe
yes
yeah
but I don't know one say the question I keep asking myself whether it is the sporting project of PSG na problem no and I say decision that they get it wrong because see they've tried different coaches Pochettino akọ amfa Luis Enrique akofem amfa they have tried Thomas Tuchel and they've what's a PSG try or try in terms of players for every player available in fact they've gone for the young they've gone for the players are AG or try they've gone for players try achievers say obia achieve or try up and coming amfa what's a PSG try or try for me I want to PSG sporting project no much chance no more review no more be some more questions be whether say a dina City be investment eventually City be Champions League Chelsea be investment Chelsea be Champions League class be buy investment etimi agade but when it comes to PSG they've gotten it wrong entirely and it be one the analysis seem to prove as a league no more bono the non-competitive nature of the French league ne enyansunsanso e wo omo performance in Europe but the NSI me say ukwa Bayern Munich ebe struggle ebe dominate German Bundesliga Bayern Europa Bayern are very competitive and it doesn't look to me say and no could be the problem because Bayern prove say Bayern only compete with Bayern Munich or German Bundesliga, but Bayern Europa, Bayern a very competitive force. And then a PhD with all the investment every faces are assessor coaches and coaches are here Kenya tried and tested. Coaches are winning Champions League ni pay. Coaches are almost deliver in the top 5 leagues everywhere, but almost be rare PSG now in the Champions League almost looking ordinary and rare. PSG it's not fiama. Atletico Madrid are struggle. Atletico Madrid themselves and one of the struggles is because Atletico on 23rd, you know, Atletico about 4 matches almost winning 2 and losing 2, but Atletico good enough say era copy for me very unfortunate
you've been on them or my question back and so
yeah but sa club no marco show no man here before more I expect PSG
expect them to score
I expect but I expect me expect PSG say sikaya adie yi some for your investment at the resource bar PSG should be asking themselves are there no more investment into me and yielded the dividend was at the bar.
But as a rough and a young chairman, peace and say you were lots of issues. As you say, Neymar has been out for a year or so. He can and probably afford every type of medical care he could think of. It's high time he retired from football, unfortunately. Sir and Antoine Michelson so the Abbas. So, oh yeah.
I was young.
Mami Tio Kakra, a woman enough for Yantis.
I was young. That's it. And after Atletico Madrid victory, no Diego Simeone. Kasa said, maybe any team that drew near. I was a sit down talk with the boys. No, after defeat to Betis. Now, Seraph, I show Monsen Sam no Kakra. Now, when some more can you know, was true for a manager to me Buremu and the duopoly and Dahono. Now I was with me twice so at the Conanim. And I was so analyze or mutim no critically. So we Madrid ne Barcelona free wha. Tima when your quality pa in recent years no has been Atletico Madrid. In the performance level no nanka opedebia the last 4 of the UEFA Champions League. There should be a side that I war. But in Hunesa. But I know they gave a good account of themselves. Echo Paris, Echo for a 2-1 victory, which is a plus. But coach now admitted say they need to change their style. And only idea say Rafa can a lot of the times he say his style of play ne idea edi omunya. I say a disciple to one system of play, regardless of the quality or and any idea Atletico Madrid, but yesterday they did very well picking that point. Mikel Arteta said, "Boy, I want Inter Milan boy." Say, "Umiani metrimuna what they say Jina Chelsea anymore, but Chelsea." Papa na kasa as a fan, as will be or TTV a chin or her body be. Mikel Arteta no. Na the oy and the bema asna for no mu pa say o man you motete kwasem no matam zika twitwiri die zi o mu asna timi ko to play 100 million. Say no o mu legend friend Thierry Henry na no wodi nkomo after o mu defeat no. I know say na what we say Arsenal lose to Chelsea there. A bad dem pa to talk of any title race for Arsenal. Akobana sana se Liverpool should timisha Aston Villa. Na chance between omumi no ebe 10 points at this stage. Na ebusu no na me share Arsenal game no na wo share highlights na kakra. We two teams na din na hwe o mataka. Na obusa ho se Mikel Arteta no se bi. Aye moto bi no wafa no so de be challenge Europe na say crash the football di akire no abi no di akire. The oil no Leicester City mu nyina be ejai Tottenham Hotspur abe aya na me mpese mekasa about omu bebre bi ko obeka say me Liverpool ni nti anya sa you know say me tena objectivity and am the cancel no and no Inter Milan de Marcus Thuram and Lautaro Martinez and Aquano Mediterami. These are the 3 strikers omukita and Arsenal de Gabriel Jesus ne Kai Havertz and nam system ni mu de call so ombe so omo GBB abusia Arsenal problems ne dey clear obi anim say no Saliba ne Gabriel no ball no mo ball na chire ho no goalkeeper no oda pole no obetima compete with the most goalkeepers Europe top goalkeepers inti yara 87.9 but dia obi ehu eka wasem ne say attack na ekuta Arsenal no ye de gibro nya de na ye mfa nye japade
downplay Arsenal for yi enso nkomo ye bibi kakre wa na
abusua me no nyina na dibo ye chi o fa Lautaro Martinez Argentina striker na oda o manim no ene Marcos Thuram ball no mo bo week out o she goals ma Inter Milan na Arsenal kuta sa attack no wo mu team we mu anko mu hu pa sa na mpese me kire so mu wo even Lautaro Martinez no ebe kan ayi no hu anko mu hu but Arsenal kuta bi ene papa ne say ball no ball ye ne de o mu dominate ye bibi ento o mu ba boss a tia Chelsea that is Enzo Maresca na oye coach no onye preparation bia ahead of Sunday game no ti Mikel Arteta ya kasa they say fan out TV na chi ana ohwe ball ni bi na Arsenal fans no be excuse ne say the format of Champions League no kura mo anya papa esan say Inter Milan na ahye omo ntinka omo nya reverse encounter na ko omo betima te omo ho but Arsenal share Paris Saint-Germain wo home no fans na nka sa asem no so mumu ko Paris ni ehwe so betimi ni o mate agina me say format we no e ya de aye papa because from game 1 to the last game I was say intensity no kosoro sa to decide and yes sir every game be a ubo be a final a potential final every game be a ubo be a Arsenal to so 17th and this one next game no more approach the game as a final a formal no beko into my excitement no a kosoro no because the Liverpool we crab I still maintain say format we here until the excuses in some Mikel Arteta kano how read here or se kwesi ade so mo lose dia or no as a legend we throw in town because onim kwan bia Arsenal betimi ade aba fight agi league no why because and in the reason no I have so on point and very intelligent and I idea also jitum say Arsenal are not chasing only Manchester City and Yomenkoye money this season. They are chasing two teams, Manchester City and Liverpool. And it's Arsenal man who modern so cry. I also ultimate trying your points are about 2 way abeshenechi, which will be a daunting task. So many already a drink, but for the statement of Mikel Arteta there, it was Gia Tunema classified as just a fanatic of the club. I will hate TV nibi. Now I enjoy the vibe, but when you're orgasmic feeling be na no ninety or they hear prediction against a team or TFA train Arsenal. A map a strategy on any bebo na what you say.
As over what kind the Arsenal for you, but my boss, you was one son. Ombejawu. No, I say, who person just want coach no. Just one deserve to be a coach or a fan.
Abuzia. The history of humanity are very existence. Actually, say
no.
Anytime no kreno ye cannot krechiro biano. A lot of the times no on you know odom abeya ya because ye no kre sanete asem bi ye no kre bia when ye huru or say the only Inter Milan na ebo no so obo sa in modern game coaches adwuma obi atena se ye ne wo say ne ameboy to say Chelsea ni below the standard of
in Chelsea for Marcos Anto.
That's what I'm telling you, sir. Me objective, and anytime I'm analyzing, yeah, because of Liverpool or Chelsea. But no question, I'm say, who say me who say born now we need Inter Milan be boy, you know. So the boss are Chelsea.
What is wrong with that?
No, the truth of the matter, and you know, cray. For a game or boy, you know, watching us,
and
I'm saying the current Chelsea setup, current Chelsea team.
It's all
above to beat them. I mean, everyone was say no. In fact, look right there in the game. Like it was so odd. Like what about Champions League? We'll lose the game. Now, we'll say. In the
boys not fighting.
Ball, we're losing. nti ka I thought say o person cycle players up o be catch from say be improve ya we see in your
nya betre also what me lose game but no perform pa o see bia that was how
but nenti say ball ni bi no nko na hwe yes I net so in fact Inter Milan Thuram mu nyina na Thuram mu bench
they started them
on the bench nti I am surprised
Arsenal
because Chelsea this season and Chelsea of last season Chelsea this season why are obia any clubs are Chelsea
they are the most improved side in the Premier League based on points.
I'm surprised on making a session.
I from this angle say he is a manager. Say Ralph bet me can say asem na work and say boy Chelsea your boy here. See your boss
to bring him to the level say you fan there say you are not being
me statement where obeti say
respecting
two different competitions.
Man respect
two different clubs. So for Arteta, they also kind of say if we maintain this performance, we can have good results. Or you can improve or
one can results or performance.
Yes. Or call by any statement. May call by any statement. You know, if you maintain this performance, we can have good results in the subsequent game. But okay, say so. Obo now they are over Chelsea and I say. Chelsea team, no, you will get the 3 points there. Two different competitions, two different teams with two different style of play. And see, send you Inter Milan, Emma Obo and Abia, why do you also win your possession against Chelsea? It might be a totally different game. Okay. So, as a manager, or a coach, or experience in football, there, you don't make such statement. Supporters bet me as hard because another day. Send you when we boy party, son or mobile tier, young you. Fanatics, fans, and supporters, we are the ones that make such statements. Say, boy, and dear, Arsenal boy, so both side tier Manchester United and Corshey. Yes, but it doesn't fit in a real time game situation. And yes, sanity game will be honest na approach you do game because Arsenal call against Manchester City. Arsenal played a different kind of. They were almost there getting the 3 points. And a City be mubenya a 2-2 draw. Against Liverpool, the same thing. But Ebia star now, who go share Chelsea. And I say Aston Villa, you might not get the same results. So two different teams, two different competition. I wasn't expecting such comment from Mikel Arteta, especially over position at Arsenal. And the run of games on Marco without winner, I think they're quite frustrating. And for the first time, I'm a bit disappointed in Mikel Arteta.
But that's Steve. I Akoma 87.9 FM for phone. Dial star 439 hash. Star 439 hash. Now for Obo option 6 no. I want Akoma FM that number 6. Obo 6. No one send it. A baby sa what to say. Bakubia a 5 Ghana. And in first also 2 3 4 Elkono. Now and better chances of winning. Say star 439 hash. What did be paid to us so obey me as I debut and now a big crowd first time ni I feel now pass our try also found who send be obey me a winnie nafi Jensha said the Besiako enche Yabaya draw no Eddie Amamo now so one who said ye AC etie a star 439 hash star 439 hash nafi obo of 6 no I send it and one no Jensha do obey me a winnie. My first draw no yeba na yeba fie say na efisem net here and the Black Stars of Ghana, the flufo of the century or more have no me mpai bo pan say Ghana unqualify ya wish kese pa and me ye ho fasting na say nyame nyama drum na Ghana unqualify because performance I had done it, we don't deserve qualification. And you acquire him guas and be more. You qualify for AFCON where Sam Kofu, Tibon Kosofu, or Munim Hui, away from Mark Bombefan say, oh, yes, war. Utwadun de Namcas or a papa cacas, or no graduate woman here. And now, or trancy in the moon, the squad, our the able 2 games, no. Ye bo Angola wa we, near Bebonije at home. Now say, ɛna otua do ɛyɛ n'announcement no.
Satisfait from FC St. Gallen. We have invited Abdul Manan from Cars Open and Joseph Walcott from Corner Town. Defenders, Ali Duseidu, Stadron, Tariq Lamte, Brighton and Ho Albion, Jonas Ajete, FC Basel, Nathaniel Ajay from FC Lorient, Alexander Jiku, Fenerbahce Istanbul, Jerome Opoku, Istanbul Başakşehir, Gideon Menza, Ajax, Isaac Aful, FC Samatex, and Razak Simpson from Nations FC. Midfielders, Elisha Wusu, Ajax, Abu Francis from Cercle Bruges, Ibrahim Sulemana, Atalanta Bergamo, Michael Beidou, EF Esbjerg, Mohamed Kudus, West Ham United, and Emmanuel Enchi, Asante Kotoko. Forwards, Ibrahim Osman, Feyenoord Rotterdam, Enes Noama, Olympique Lyon, Antoine Semenyo, AFC Bournemouth, Jordan Ayew, Leicester City, Iñaki Williams, Athletic Bilbao, and Ishaku Abdul Fattah, Leicester City, and Joseph Pencil, LA Galaxy. Furthermore, I would like to mention, just I know that maybe not all of them all of you are aware. We have an overview of all the players, and for this, maybe I would like to mention also the injured players. So Salisu is injured from the last game, still injured. Then we have Abdul Mumin, who's injured. We have still Abdul Samad Salis is injured. We have long-term injuries like Kofi Cherry. Majid Ashimoro is also injured, got injured last game. And then Ibrahim Sadiq is also injured, which I don't like to mention, which we could have considered